Indian cricket star Smriti Mandhana and singer Palash Muchal were all set to tie the knot on 23rd November. But just hours before the ceremony, everything changed. Their wedding was indefinitely postponed, leaving fans shocked and confused. Both families clarified that a sudden health emergency involving Smriti's father was the only reason behind the last-minute decision. Reports say her father, Srinivas Mandhana, experienced heart attack-like symptoms that morning and was rushed to a hospital in Sangli. All celebrations came to an immediate halt. While the family deals with this difficult situation, the internet has been buzzing with speculation. And now, an old clip from Smriti's appearance on Kaun Banega Crorepati, hosted by Amitabh Bachchan, has gone viral again. Smriti had appeared on the show with cricketer Ishan Kishan, and a fan's unexpected question caught her completely off guard. The fan asked, "Smriti ma'am, you have so many male followers on Instagram. What are the qualities that you like in a man?" Smriti, clearly surprised, replied, "I did not expect such a question." After thinking for a moment, she answered, "Acha ladka ho, that is very important." Amitabh Bachchan encouraged her to explain further, and she did. Smriti said, "He should be caring and understand my sport. That is two major qualities that he should have. Because as a girl, I will not be able to give him that much time. That thing he should understand and he should care about. These are the things which are top priority. These are the qualities which I will look in a man." This clip is now being widely shared online, especially after recent developments in her personal life. Fans also noticed that Smriti has quietly deleted her engagement announcement video from Instagram. The reel had gone viral and featured Jemimah Rodriguez, Shreyanka Patil, Radha Yadav and Arundhati Reddy, ending with her subtly showing off her engagement ring. Now, people online claim that her teammates have removed the reel from their profiles as well, adding even more mystery to the situation. For now, fans are hoping for just one thing: the speedy recovery of Smriti's father. The rest, they believe, will fall into place with time. Today, the nation mourns the loss of a true icon of Indian cinema, Bollywood's He-Man, the evergreen star whose charisma lit up the silver screen. After weeks of treatment for a prolonged illness, the actor passed away peacefully on Monday. His departure has left the film industry and millions of fans in deep grief. The family did not organize a public funeral. Instead, they quietly carried out the final rites at the Pawan Hans crematorium in Juhu. In the days since, there has been talk of a memorial prayer meet, but nothing official yet. A prayer meet will be held here, but the location is yet to be finalized, a source told PTI. The Deols are still deciding on the venue. Once confirmed, the who's who of Bollywood are expected to gather to pay their respects. This legendary actor gave us unforgettable performances in films like Sholay, Phool Aur Patthar, Chupke Chupke, Dharamveer and Sita Aur Geeta. Generations grew up watching his blend of strength, charm, and humanity. He was set to turn 90 this December, a milestone few ever reach. But his creative legacy will live on forever. At the crematorium, several luminaries of the industry came to pay their final respects. Names like Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan, and many more stood united in grief. Friends, colleagues, and fans visited the actor's family to offer condolences. Many also visited his longtime partner at her home, sharing their grief and offering comfort. Cinema has lost one of its great pillars. But the stories he told, the laughter and tears he gave us, and the strength he embodied, these will forever remain in our hearts. Here's to a legend, may his soul rest in peace and his memory shine bright for generations to come. Bollywood's Malaika Arora seems to have sparked dating rumors once again, years after her breakup with actor Arjun Kapoor. The Chhaiya Chhaiya star was earlier seen with 33-year-old diamond merchant Harsh Mehta at Enrique Iglesias' concert in Mumbai on 29 October. Fans noticed the duo interacting multiple times during the show. They even left the venue together, fueling speculation about a possible romance. Recently, Malaika was spotted again with Harsh, but the duo avoided a joint appearance. They were seen walking at a distance from each other. Malaika and Harsh exited the terminal together, but she walked ahead while Harsh followed behind in a casual outfit, his face covered with a mask as he made his way to the car. Later, when they reached the parking area where Malaika's car was parked, she got in first, and moments later, Harsh was seen hopping into the same vehicle. As of now, Malaika has not reacted to the dating rumors with Harsh. The 50-year-old star has been busy entertaining audiences recently. She impressed fans with her performance in Thama's music video, Poison Baby. She was also seen on the reality show Pitch to Get Rich, alongside Bollywood filmmaker Karan Johar. In addition, Malaika is one of the judges on India's Got Talent, sharing the panel with Navjot Singh Sidhu and Shan, proving that she continues to be a prominent face in the entertainment industry. Whether it's her professional projects or her personal life, Malaika Arora continues to stay in the spotlight. Fans are eagerly waiting to see if she will confirm her relationship with Harsh Mehta. Fans of cricket and music were eagerly waiting for the wedding of Indian women's cricket team vice-captain Smriti Mandhana and singer-composer Palash Muchal, which was scheduled for Sunday, 23rd November. However, just hours before the ceremony, the wedding was postponed after Smriti's father experienced heart attack-like symptoms and was immediately admitted to a hospital in Sangli, her hometown. The sudden health scare left families and fans shocked. A day later, Palash himself was admitted to the hospital after his condition worsened due to a viral infection and increased acidity. Thankfully, Smriti's father has now returned home. The postponement soon sparked controversy online. Instagram user Mary DeCosta shared screenshots of what she claims are her chats with Palash, adding fuel to the speculation. Meanwhile, an old video of Palash with Natasha Stankovic, ex-wife of cricketer Hardik Pandya, went viral. In the clip, Natasha can be seen enjoying her song, DJ Weli Babu, by Badshah, while Palash sits beside her, enjoying the song together. Following the wedding delay, Smriti removed all wedding-related content from her social media, including the proposal video. But Palash's account still features posts with Smriti, keeping fans guessing about the situation. So far, the only official statement about the postponement has come from Palash's sister, Palak Muchal, who wrote on Instagram, "Due to Smriti's dad's health, Smriti and Palash's wedding has been put on hold. Would request all of you to respect the privacy of the families in this sensitive time." For now, fans are sending their prayers and best wishes to both families. While the wedding is on hold, everyone hopes for the speedy recovery of Smriti's father and for Palash to regain full health. Until then, social media buzz continues, but the families have requested privacy during this sensitive time.